You should put some like curtains, dog, and some little cup holders. He died. You gotta just take off. I have to go when he's not ready. The V92s, so nice. So beautiful. Carbon grills, carbon lip. Of course, everyone's setting off the car alarm. These cars are too loud. Sick ass food.
Nachos in this big ass burrito, bro. Like
David?
Yeah. Bro, they're gonna rip. You keep pulling. God.
He's down, food.
Andy was like, you guys wanna know a hack? He was like, if your socks are ashy, put some lotion on them. I was like, bro, what the fuck?
Damn. Jeez. We eating good, dog? Jay always has his glasses on.
I'm faded, that's fine.
Oh my god, hibachi! Feliz Navidad. Oh wait, no, that's Christmas talk.
Oh!
Wait, Feliz Cumpleaños, right? How do you say happy birthday in Spanish?
Feliz cumpleaños.
Feliz Cumpleaños. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Antoine. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papi.
Boy, Jay sounds like a truck. Why sound like that, brother?
I blew off my mid-pipe.
She sounds like a Tacoma. Jay's still at Coachella right now. Look, he matched the 85. Thank you, brother. What the? Shit, there's that fadey. Shit, nice.
Look at the Rolls Royce.
And a Rolls Royce. Where are we at, guys? We just made it to Newport, so there's a bunch of sick cars. Look, what is that?
GT500.
500?
Shelby.
C8?
What the?
We in Newport, bro. There's the car.
Nice.
Me. So you can see here, guys, on the street and probably see like Lambos pass by. I thought that was a G80.
I still got
See?
720. I had one of those.
Savvy. I told you you'll see a Lambo. Freaking Aventador just casually driving, guys. Let's see what else we find while being here putting gas. We just got some 85 right now, filled up the car. And now we're about to go meet up with the homie Josh. It's already been a long day, bro. It's only 2 p.m.
Super long day.
I'm tired, dude. Look who it is, guys. Mr. Laurent.
Mr. Laurent's here, bro.
I know, there's like 3 Lambos. Must be nice.
What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
I haven't seen you in a minute.
Mr. Laurent, how are you?
Good.
Chilling? The new Huracan. Lamborghini Technica. I didn't know they were out already, huh? This might be the first one that I've seen in person. The new Huracan, guys. So like they added a bunch of air on it. The whole bumper's different.
This looks crazy.
Damn, the inside's nice. All red interior.
I like the magnet.
Looks brand new. Look at that. That's hard.
Everything. All of it.
That's sick.
Hey, look, I even paid $500 for these things.
Really?
Yeah, look at the caps.
500
$500 for those.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
And then the front, you see the front yet?
The front is nice, dude.
And it's all carbon. The back, the trunk and the front.
Yeah. Carbon hood. That's tight. Now we got a bunch of supercars.
We lit, Nick.
We are lit.
Where's the R8?
I need to get one up. We need to get a supercar, guys. GTR's not cutting it no more.
Super Nick.
Super Nick. Me and Kicks need to get R8s again. It's literally like Tiffany blue, guys. Like my old M3. There's Jay. Man, there's a lot of us, bro. Took all the Beamers, McLaren, a bunch of Lambos, and 1 GTR. I feel like I'm always by myself in the GTR, guys. I need more GTR homies. Where are they at? Where Where you guys at, bro? You got lost?
Yeah, you guys left us. You guys turned a corner and I
You're
couldn't
too
find
slow,
you.
bro.
You seen Kicks almost crash?
No.
Kicks. Oh.
Wait, I think I saw him like go all the way to the curb.
Bro, you were this close away from the curb. I seen the back of.
I was like, he for sure won't come back to that one.
I didn't see it, bro.
Imagine, bro.
Well, that's the worst flavor, brother.
You're crazy.
Pepino?
Pepino and lemon. Lime.
That shit
Lime.
gross, bro.
Pepino limón, cerote.
I'm learning Spanish, bro.
Loco, chico.
I've been learning, guys. You go teaching me all the bad words.
What do you have? What have you learned?
Mama huevo.
You learned that on your own, huh?
Alright, guys. Now we're about to go on a little canyon run, I guess, with all the Lambos. I've never been up here, so it's gonna be our first time in this little canyon. Wish us luck. All these Lambos are super freaking loud. But a new Lambo's nice, bro.
Bro, they look so sick.
It's like a futuristic Huracan.
Literally. The Huracan looks sick too.
Yeah, that was crazy. Oh, I want a freaking Lambo.
I don't know why we don't have none, bro.
We need them 5 years old. I should fasten it out it.
For sure.
This is for sure allowed it. Dude, it's a brand new Huracan right there, guys.
Oh my god.
For sure, if I get an R8 or Huracan, I'm doing the same exhaust and tune that Josh has, bro. It's insane how like we're around supercars every day, bro. Like I feel like we're so numb to it, but it is crazy, bro.
Now look how people break necks like that. You
Everyone's
go to
looking.
Mercy right now to just look at the car.
I mean, think about it, guys. What if you saw this full squad pull up right now? McLaren 720, 3 Huracans, a brand new Huracan, a trash Nissan Altima,
I used to have
and a
one
couple
of those.
BMWs. I told you guys, I feel like we're in a video game every day, bro. My life's a video game, brother. Your life's a video game, brother.
It is really crazy. I feel like how you're saying we're just immune to it because we see it all the time.
I know.
But like random people that see us or people that watch the vlogs and they're not like from like California, because I feel like California, even if you live in California, LA, Southern California, you see a lot of this.
Yeah.
But like if you're not from here,
Like Fresno.
yeah,
You don't see this in Fresno?
yeah, no, brother.
Why not?
But like I'm saying, like just in general, if you're like from a whole different place and you guys don't have like no supercars at all, like you guys are probably like tripping out right now, like what the fuck?
I know, it's just so casual in SoCal, guys. You just see supercars everywhere.
Oh my god, that went in my stomach. Oh,
I didn't use the restroom, low-key.
oh.
I didn't use the restroom and that did not help. Bro, I wish people could hear like the intakes. I don't think it picks up on camera. It's not sick, huh? I pull up right there. Ultima. Alright guys, we made it to a little canyon now. I don't know if they're gonna actually go crazy in the canyon or not, but we had all the Lambos. My boy's swerving, look. Warming up the tires. Like this? Why are they in Lambos? We're in a freaking Ultima. There's a sick ass road. That looks sick with all these trees on.
Fire with the
Bro, I literally feel like we're in Forza right now. Look at all these cars.
It really is Forza.
Look, this does not look like California right now. Look how the cars look, bro. That looks so sick. Oh!
This shit is fire, bro.
It is a sick road. I've never been here.
Your camera, brother.
Where are they going? I don't know where we're at, guys, but this literally looks like some Forza shit. With all of us here, this crazy ass road. What happened? Is car's overheating or what?
I don't know.
Something's going on. You don't look too happy, huh?
No.
Maybe the Huracan's overheating, guys.
No.
It went in limp mode. That sucks.
Limp mode? That's scary, brother.
That sounds expensive, brother.
Yeah.
On a Lambo? Yeah, I don't want a Lambo no more.
That just sounds like it's probably gonna cost him the price of my E82.
What happened, Josh?
It went into limp mode.
Uh-oh.
His haircut.
Like Josh would say. Bro, it just started, brother. We're only like 1 minute into the canyon.
This is a sick ass thumbnail, I'm gonna tell you.
Look at the squad today. We're just waiting for him. I guess I went into limp mode.
Photo shoot, brother. I ain't gonna hold you right here.
I think if it just cools down a little bit.
Get some FindingNick pictures.
I know, we all need some flicks, huh? Where are we at, bro? Hey,
Like TMZ, there's cameras everywhere.
a bunch of vloggers?
Bro, I was ready. I was getting my tires extra sticky. I was like,
I hit the gas and then it went here.
It's a sick road. I've never been up here. It looks nice.
That's nice over here.
Yeah, it looks super nice.
I've been through here once.
Hopefully, if it cools down,
It's a sensor.
it'll get better. But yeah, I went in limp mode, guys. This thing's so nice, dude. Boy, an expensive fix, huh? See, that's what comes with owning a supercar, guys. You gotta deal with those problems. If something breaks on those cars, it's not cheap. Bro, look how close Josh's wing is to kicks his mirror. Oh my god, bro. Josh's wheels are hella dirty. See, white wheels look good, but look how dirty they get. Alright, they're gonna leave the car there. Casually just leaving his Huracan in the middle of the forest. And we're gonna continue the drive. He's in that car. He left his Lambo there, bro. He left it parked. It said no parking too. Imagine they tow it.
I'm about to save this plane.
Oh my, huh?
I'm about to save this so I can just come and go POV.
This place is sick. Oh my god.
And it's not as sketchy because you can see ahead of you.
Yeah, it's not bad. Bro, the Lambo sounds sick. What the? Where's Kicks? That's him. And Go Yard J. And Peter Mag. And McLaren Sammy. Hell not? What if I laugh like that, bro? That shit sounds sick. Oh my! Watch it, watch it, watch it.
No, Nick.
It's not drifting.
It's not gonna drift, bro.
Oh my god. God damn.
How you feel that shit?
Bro, look at these firemen. That's what they call firemen? They're working out in the sun with their gear on, bro.
You have to train, brother. Imagine they're on next to fire.
That's true, but they have to deal with the heat. That's crazy. It's hot outside today, guys. They're tripping. What the?
God, those rocks are crazy.
What happened? Someone going in the dirt?
Hey, the squirrel, I seen him come out and I was like, fuck, do I hit the brakes or just go over him? And he goes like this.
No way!
after you just see him on the
He killed a squirrel, bro. That's so sad, bro.
He killed him. I just saw him fly in the air and
Peter's
that
canceled,
landed
bro.
after.
Bro, I seen him do a backflip.
Hey,
Thanks, how was the squirrel doing?
Bro, that's so sad, bro.
I didn't do it on purpose. Hey, this takes you straight to the 41.
Dude, I'm tired, guys. We've been driving all day, dude. But the canyon's kind of cool. We're at Afters now. It's Josh's first time here. Have you guys tried Afters? If you guys haven't, if you guys have tried Afters, comment down below. Isn't it really bomb? If you guys haven't, it's literally 2 donuts and they put ice cream in the middle of it. I look at all these flavors, guys.
But it's on me.
It's on you?
Oh, hell no.
You got us?
Hell no. I'll make FindingNick win.
It's been a long day, huh? I'm
like,
tired,
body's
dude.
just like giving out. I'm just like,
I know, my legs are about to just collapse. Look, guys, this is what it is. It's a donut with ice cream in it. So fire.
You better go to the gym.
What you get, Josh? Oreo? Oh, I should have got Oreo. Why didn't I get that?
Fire.
That does look fire, dude. See if he likes it. It's super sweet, but it's bomb.
yeah.
We're gonna see Josh at Afters every day now.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams.